Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here, I believe that you want to work on this pillow with a Nigerian map on it. But before starting, I want to ask you if you've ever wished that someone will be reading for you the pattern for your tapestry crochet, or if you have ever missed a row while reading the patterns. It happens most of the time because our eyes can get tired sometimes. Anyway, it has happened to me a number of times. This is how I got this idea to record myself, then listen while crocheting. All I have to do is to listen, then pause. I crochet the number of stitches, then go back and continue. Simple as that. I hope you enjoy making this pillow, and don't forget to leave a comment and tell me how easier and faster it was for you to make this pillow. But for those who prefer written patterns, I will leave for you on the description box below the link to my blog. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to get more audios for Tapestry Crochet project, and tell me where you are listening from. Who knows, your country might be the next project for me. Okay, so let's start on our project. I hope I hope you have fun while making this. So before you start, I want you to gather some items that you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need some yarn and your crochet. So for this project, I used worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. So I used two different colors, green and white. Green was my contrast color, and I used around 300 grams of worsted weight yarn of the green color and 100 grams for the white color. The reason why I used 300 grams for the green color is because the backside of my pillow also was used with color green. So the white part was only used at the front side of my pillow. So you're going to need like 100 grams for the white part and the 300 grams for the contrast part and the backside of the pillow. Yeah, and I hope you have fun making this. Yes, listen to the audio, and yeah, you just pause, play, like that. Have fun and let me know how it goes. So we are going to start with a chain of 63. Then row 1, 62 white stitches. Row 2, 62 white stitches. Row 3, 62 white stitches. Row 4, 62 white stitches. Row 5, 39 white stitches. 4 green stitches. 19 white stitches. Row 6, 18 white stitches. 9 green stitches. 35 white stitches. Row 7, 31 white stitches. 14 green stitches. 17 white stitches. Row 8, 16 white stitches. 16 green stitches. 30 white stitches. Row 9, 29 white stitches. 17 green stitches. 16 white stitches. Row 10, 16 white stitches. 17 green stitches. 29 white stitches. Row 11, 29 white stitches. 18 green stitches. 15 white stitches. Row 12, 14 white stitches. 19 green stitches. 29 white stitches. Row 13, 28 white stitches. 20 green stitches. 14 white stitches. Row 14, 12 white stitches. 23 green stitches. 27 white stitches. Row 15, 17 white stitches, 2 green stitches, 7 white stitches, 27 green stitches, 2 white stitches, 3 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 16, 4 white stitches, 33 green stitches, 6 white stitches, 3 green stitches, 16 white stitches. Row 17, 16 white stitches, 4 green stitches, 2 white stitches, 1 green stitch, 1 white stitch, 34 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 18, 4 white stitches, 43 green stitches, 15 white stitches. Row 19, 15 white stitches, 43 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 20, 4 white stitches, 44 green stitches, 14 white stitches. Row 21, 14 white stitches, 44 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 22, 3 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 13 white stitches. Row 23, 13 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 3 white stitches. Row 24, 3 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 13 white stitches. Row 25, 12 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 26, 4 white stitches, 47 green stitches, 11 white stitches. Row 27, 10 white stitches, 48 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 28, 5 white stitches, 47 green stitches, 10 white stitches. Row 29, 10 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 6 white stitches. Row 30, 6 white stitches, 48 green stitches, 8 white stitches. Row 31, 8 white stitches, 47 green stitches, 7 white stitches. Row 32, 8 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 8 white stitches. Row 33, 7 white stitches, 47 green stitches, 8 white stitches. Row 34, 8 white stitches, 47 green stitches, 7 white stitches. Row 35, 7 white stitches, 46 green stitches, 9 white stitches. Row 36, 9 white stitches, 47 green stitches, 6 white stitches. Row 37, 6 white stitches, 48 green stitches, 8 white stitches. Row 38, 8 white stitches, 50 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 39, 3 white stitches, 52 green stitches, 7 white stitches. Row 40, 8 white stitches, 52 green stitches, 2 white stitches. Row 41, 2 white stitches, 52 green stitches, 8 white stitches. Row 42, 8 white stitches, 52 green stitches, 2 white stitches. Row 43, 2 white stitches, 52 green stitches, 8 white stitches. Row 44, 8 white stitches, 50 green stitches, 4 white stitches. Row 45, 4 white stitches, 49 green stitches, 9 white stitches. Row 46, 10 white stitches, 23 green stitches, 3 white stitches, 21 green stitches, 5 white stitches. Row 47, 5 white stitches, 7 green stitches, 1 white stitch, 12 green stitches, 6 white stitches, 6 green stitches, 2 white stitches, 13 green stitches, 10 white stitches. Row 48, 10 white stitches, 13 green stitches, 4 white stitches, 2 green stitches, 10 white stitches, 8 green stitches, 3 white stitches, 7 green stitches, 5 white stitches. Row 49, 6 white stitches, 5 green stitches, 29 white stitches, 11 green stitches, 11 white stitches. Row 50, 12 white stitches, 8 green stitches, 34 white stitches, 1 green stitches, 7 white stitches. Row 51, 44 white stitches, 2 green stitches, 16 white stitches. Row 52, 62 white stitches. Row 53, 62 white stitches. Row 54, 62 white stitches, and row 55, 62 white stitches. For the back side of the pillow, chain 63, then single crochet 58 rows and adjust accordingly. If the front side is still longer, increase the number of rows, or decrease if it's shorter. So you can just lay it on top of the front side and see. If it's still shorter, you increase. If it's longer, you just decrease. Okay, thank you for listening to my audio, and I hope you really enjoyed making this pillow.